Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raksi Monique and today I have for you a hair tutorial. Well, not really a hair tutorial but just my wash day routine for my wash and goes, because somebody asked me for a hair tutorial on my haul videos. I thought, okay, let me do it. And I started to do my wash and go section where I was putting on the oil and such, and my camera wasn't filming. But I'm just going to tell you the processes for what I did. I'm sorry I can't show you the actual wash and go section, but the washing section will be in the video. So basically I just started out by massaging my scalp in the shower under some warm water, and I just do that because it feels good, but also it will just work up the scalp and get it ready for cleansing. And then I put on the Head and Shoulders. I try to put it on directly onto my scalp. Because they say you don't want to really be washing your ends per se, it's your scalp. Afterwards I get the ultimate conditioner and I just put it on the ends. So I'll massage my scalp. I'll put my hair up in one, take out a small section and just start finger detangling. It's gonna start out being tedious, but then as you get to do it and learn it, it's just gonna get easier and easier, and you're gonna do it quicker and quicker. I feel like it builds a bond with you in your hair, and I don't really have hair clips, to be honest, so I just part it and plait it randomly or twist it randomly. I wash it out right after because the amount of time I take finger detangling my hair, about like 20 minutes, and then afterwards I put in the Shea Moisture mask. And then I will put on my shower cap or put on my put on a plastic bag and a t-shirt over it, just something to keep the heat in, keep the heat from my scalp in. And I don't have any of those heaters that they have that you can use to heat to like do a good deep conditioning, but if you have that, you can use that. I guess you can also use a regular blow dryer depending on what you want to do. But it's so warm in Jamaica already and I'm so hot, like I'm not I am. Then after that I just go back in the shower, wash it out, and then use a t-shirt, probably the same t-shirt, to just dry my hair a little bit. When I'm out of the shower and my hair is semi-dry, I start putting on the coconut oil, and it's the same coconut oil that I showed you from my natural hair product haul or review. I try to put it on my scalp and I put it also on the ends of my hair, and just try and get it all over it while my hair is still pretty much wet. And if my hair isn't wet enough, I'll use this as I'm going along. This is just a random spray bottle that my parents had in the house. It doesn't matter, nothing chemical was in there from before. To be honest, I think you can use any spray bottle. I know a lot of people buy specific spray bottles, that's really nice, but that was free and I found it. So I like to do this while my hair is very wet, because that is my moisture, water is my liquid. And then I don't use a cream, you know, the LOC or the LCO method. Yeah, I don't use a cream because I have low porosity hair and it will not allow the product to seep in very easily, so sometimes the creams will stay flaky, especially after I put on the gel. So I don't use a cream, but I just use my coconut oil, and then afterwards I use my gel. And it's still open because I just, like I said, was filming and it didn't work out. This is what I used in my hair, even that's what's in my hair right now. I don't just put it on my hair, so I like part the back and like rake it through. And when I say raking, I mean like putting my fingers through, similar to how I would finger detangle it. And I would also like take pieces like this and just pull my hand on it like this, and they call that shingling method. It's only doing sections that you can manage. If you realize a section is too big for you to like put on the gel and rake it through, then put it in a smaller section. And at the end of it all, I'll pull on my hair like this and just like, so that the curls can like clump together and bounce back. And my hair clumps together quite easily, so I don't really need to do that much. Just work with your hair, just feel your hair, see what works. To be honest, you can watch a lot of other videos where people put the gel in the different methods, and like I said, I had filmed it but it it'll never work. Take everything everybody says on YouTube about your hair with a grain of salt and just figure out what works for you. You have to think about your hair porosity, whether or not a product will work for you. You have to think about the density of your hair to see how much gel you should use, to see like how much product you'll be using compared to somebody else. You also have to think about the thickness of your hair, because I'm not sure how thickness really affects like the curling pattern, but I just know that my hair clumps easily. Just the method I'm telling you how I put it on might not work for you. You might need to go like shingling method, which is like piece by piece. You put on a good amount of gel. Sometimes you have to curl it yourself. For me, it was trial and error for everything. I've used denim brush. I never liked it, but my hands have been the best thing so far. And I also tend to shake my hair a lot as it dries through the day. So I shake it back and forth and side to side. More aggressive than that, but I don't want to mess up my face too much. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys will forgive me for not having the actual part where I put in the gel. It's very simple, and there are other videos out there that you can watch to show the part where you put in the gel. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of other videos. I mostly do fashion videos. I mostly talk about fashion and trends and styling and those kind of stuff. So you can check out my other videos. You can subscribe to my channel. You can give this video a thumbs up for my effort of filming again on the same day because I go hard. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, because that's where I am during the week while I'm not here, and I'll be posting a lot about fashion. On my Pinterest, I do post a lot about hair, and you just get to interact with me, and I don't mind you talking to me personally, even if you don't know me. Just can say hi, I watched your video and I want to talk. I'm like, okay, cool. I really don't mind talking to people. As you can see, I talk a lot. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye.